Welcome to SolarPilot. We are leading the way into a new era of energy management. Today, we will introduce our photovoltaic operation and maintenance and power generation improvement solutions. The photovoltaic operation and maintenance management system aims to provide intelligent management tools for photovoltaic power generation companies or individuals. By collecting and transmitting data from photovoltaic power plants, storing and processing information, and conducting intelligent analysis and prediction, the system enables power plant managers to more accurately predict potential events in power plant operation and handling. This system allows them to schedule resources in a more timely manner and take prompt and effective measures for diversion, prevention, and handling. This ensures the effective operation and management of the photovoltaic power plant. The system incorporates a photovoltaic optimizer function, which improves the overall efficiency of the photovoltaic power generation system, reduces power losses between components, and provides more accurate data monitoring and fault diagnosis. The system is equipped with photovoltaic optimization-related functions, which help improve the power generation efficiency of photovoltaic power plants and distributed photovoltaic systems, achieve intelligent operation and maintenance, and increase power generation capacity. Key features include lower maintenance, increase power generation, empower algorithm capabilities, reduces security risks. Our system principle framework diagram illustrates the integration of the 600-watt Smart PV Power Optimizer and Zigbee or Y-Sun Gateway. The system also includes a Smart Optimizer monitoring and maintenance system, a third-party fire concentrator, and a meteorological station for temperature and other sensing, ensuring the system's safety and efficient operation. The Photovoltaic Intelligent O&M system incorporates photovoltaic optimizers and their functionalities. The inclusion of photovoltaic optimizers further enhances the advantages of photovoltaic power generation in terms of efficiency and cost, resulting in increased power generation efficiency, higher output, and improved returns. The system also features remote fault diagnosis capabilities, reducing O&M costs, improving O&M efficiency, and enhancing system security. SolarPilot's core advantages include supporting Zigbee and Y-Sun protocol access, rich processing capabilities, secure encryption technology, AI-accelerated computing, and cloud-native containerization. These advantages ensure the system's efficiency and security. Thank you for watching. To learn more about SolarPilot's photovoltaic operation and maintenance and power generation improvement solutions, visit our website or contact us. Let's harness the power of the sun and drive towards a sustainable future together.